She is laid, y'all. Ooh.
Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, Adia Sherelle, and I am back with a natural hair tutorial, y'all. I put my hair all to the back and, oh wait, hold on. I got a surprise. Close your eyes. Go ahead, close your eyes. Bam! See, I did some flat twists going up into the ponytail, you know, just a little extra. And the reason why I did that, full disclosure, is when I was doing my ponytails and my hair was damp, this hair in the back was breaking off and I was like, no! So I put together a special formula that I use that I cannot wait to share with you all, and it has grown back, but I want to preserve the growth that I have. So I was like, let me just twist up the back so it can be protected. Alright, so if you like this style, stay tuned to see the tutorial. These are the products I use to achieve this hairstyle. I work with damp hair, so I spritz each section and then I gather it all into a ponytail before I move on to the next section and do the exact same thing. So each time I'm adding more hair to the ponytail. I'm doing a side part, then I'm adding the edge tamer to smooth it down. I brush it in to get it as sleek as possible. Then I switch over to the other side doing the same exact thing. You want to make sure you do it section by section so you can get all of that thick, luscious hair sleek down into a ponytail. This is a tried and true method, y'all, for all you 4C girls or anyone who thinks they can't get their hair into a ponytail. It's possible. And use as much edge tamer as you can. I use the whole bottle, so go for that. No, not really, I'm kidding. Go ahead and wrap your head with the scarf and let it set.
Ooh. Okay. She is laid, y'all. Ooh. I put some twists in the back. We're just going to take those out.